In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply leave on Zoho. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what each field means, and how to submit a clean, accurate request your manager can approve without delay. Start on your Zoho People Home dashboard. Look for the small plus icon, typically near the top of the page. This icon opens a quick create menu, so it's the fastest way to start common actions. Give it a click to expand your options. From the menu that appears, choose Leave. This takes you straight to the leave application form, where you'll fill in the key details your organization needs to process your request. First, select the leave type. You'll see options like casual, sick, annual, or unpaid, depending on your company's policies. Pick the option that best matches why you're taking time off. If you're unsure which category applies, check your policy page or confirm with HR so your accruals and balances are applied correctly. Choosing the right type helps avoid back and forth later. Next, enter the date details. Set your start date and end date, even if it's just a single day. If your company supports half-day requests, you may see a toggle or time selector. Use it only if it applies to your situation. Double-check that the dates don't accidentally include weekends or holidays unless that's intended, and make sure they align with your project schedules. Now, add the team email ID. This field ensures the right group is notified, such as your department's shared inbox or a distribution list designated by your company. Type the official team address exactly as your organization uses it. If you're not sure which one to use, stick with your standard team or check your internal directory to avoid missed notifications. Then, enter the reason for leave. Keep it brief, clear, and professional. Something like medical appointment, personal errand, or family event is usually sufficient. If your organization requires additional details or documentation, follow your internal policy, but keep sensitive information to a minimum. Before you finalize, take a moment to review everything: the leave type, dates, team email, and your reason. Small typos in dates or the wrong leave category can delay approval. When everything looks correct, click Submit. Your request will be routed to the appropriate approver, and you'll receive a confirmation in Zoho People, often with a status update as it's reviewed. That's it. You've applied your leave in Zoho quickly and accurately. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you submit future requests with confidence.